Shubor nakaslem Jong Nongsan Hima.
UMLA na Mausan Ram uba HM Shangpliang hinin kasngi ka arpu khandai terek unai lur arajar arpu ar ula dawa na ka sorkar ba ka dewan say Madan ya ka Kaiphod Jingtohkit Halor ka Jingdong Jingman Jong ka Skul Pine Mount. Nakaliang uba HM Shangpliang ulaya thoru baka jingkano baka don ka jingtuko ka jingpentrei kamya ka tiga skul kalapoy hadu ka ying dorbar bar kala donru ka jingetai ka basani ya ki daw ki ba penlong ya ka tiga jaka pulie bakan sha kan tho nalor ka tau ba Shangpliang la bandru ya kamat halor ka jingpep trei ka ba sau phosngi jong ka principal jong ka tiga skul na ka daw ka jingsitom Henry Halor ka ni ba Shangpliang la kali ba hatu ka sorkar ka tip ni em ba ka principal jong ka tiga skul ka shem shuti sau phosngi bat bale ba klamdan ba pendap ha ka jaka ka jongka ulong bade na ni ka daw bomdan ka jingbatha na ka sorkar ban sami ki jingtuko ki rukom treikam na maramdan ba pet ba khami ya ka te ka jaka puli.
Last few weeks, we have seen the mismanagement of the Pine School, for which the matter has been taken by few of the legislators on the floor of the House, and this matter was discussed at length for the mismanagement caused and the embarrassment caused to this premier institution of the state, the Pine School in Shillong. We were assured by the Honorable Minister of Education that action has been taken and necessary steps would be taken to correct the wrongs. We heard that there is an inquiry that has been instituted, and the inquiry is going on, and as part of the inquiry, show cause notices have been issued to some of the teachers. My primary concern here are the students. Now, the students of the school should not suffer due to the inquiry, should not suffer due to the non-cooperation attitude of the teachers. The students should not suffer due to the mismanagement of the principal. I am dismayed by the fact that the principal has been on leave for the last 40 days on medical grounds. Is the government aware that the principal is on medical leave? And if the government is aware that the principal is on medical leave, why has the government not notified the vice principal or any senior teachers for that matter to run the day-to-day affairs of the school? In the absence of such an order from the government, the school management is in total disarray. The teachers do not know whom to answer to. Total chaos and mismanagement. We have been reported that the toilets are not in order. We are reported that even the hostel condition is bad. And there are many other issues. I hope the inquiry will come out in detail about the affairs of the school, and the report should be made public. We should all know what has gone wrong with the premier institution of our state, that is the Pine School.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.